Hey everybody, it's Paula from Crafting by the Pond. We're going to try a little bit different setup today to see how that goes. So you guys will have to let me know if you like it or not, okay? Or we can go back to the other way. Doesn't matter. So this is just going to be a really quick Hobby Lobby haul. I went out today and so yeah, here we go. All right, so all of these purchases I blame on Nicole the Vagabond Crafter because I watched her haul and yeah. So I found these cute little, I don't know what they're called, double-sided storage for beads. I don't know how much they were originally because I covered up the price, but let's see. I paid $1.49 for them. And I'm trying to peel the sticker off the one. Oh, look at that. It says it was $5.99. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing, guys. But these things are awesome. I picked them up. They had 4 left, and I took them. So, but these, look how perfect they are. They're double-sided, right? And they open like on the opposite side. So these are going to be great. I like the color for Halloween. And for $1.50, like I said, they had 4 left, and I took them. I took them. Okay, moving on. So then I found these cute little dog socks. I thought those were really cute. So they were $1.49. And originally they say they were $5.99, so I picked those up. Okay, there's method to the madness with the stickers I picked up. So I found everybody's hauling this stuff is not new, but it's new to me. So I picked these seashells up and also those because I really like those. And the hubs and I are going to go to the beach this summer, so I thought I could make a scrapbook for us with our beachy because we love it. And you know, I saw these guys, and these were originally $3.99. They were $1.24, so I picked them up. I thought they were so cute. Okay, and so then this one, I had to pick this one up too because I thought they were so cute. This looks like my daughter just got a new cat. Her cousin and his, you know, my nephew, well, he's my cousin actually. It's her second cousin. He is in the Navy, him and his wife, and they were moving, and, you know, they couldn't take, you can only, when you're active duty and you live in base housing, you can only have so many animals, and so they had an extra cat, and so Emma adopted Sebastian, and he looks just like this. He's a tuxedo kitty, so I thought that was really cute. And then this is Socrates all the live long day, and she has a cat, Tylee, that she adopted after her cat Homer passed away. So yeah, very well represented there with our cats. And okay, so I know I watched Elizabeth earlier today. Hey Elizabeth, and she picked this one up, and she only paid 99 cents for hers. Mine was $1.24. Like, what is going on with the pricing? I really need not complain because hello, this is a $3.99 and I paid $1.25 for it. So, and I've excuse me, never seen anything like this before, and I liked it. And everything that I bought, I tried to, you know, this is stuff I have plans. I say that every time, but I really have plans because I'm going to do a craft room tour video, and you can see my shame, and I'm going to need people to hold me accountable because it's disgusting. If you hear in the beep beep in the background, my husband's downstairs going in and out. I picked this one up, and it's just, they're dimensional stickers. Normally $4.99. I paid $1.24, and it just has like every kind of holiday you could think of is on here. So I thought that was cute when you get in a bind or a pinch, just a cute slap it on, you go. They had other ones there, but like I said, you guys, I didn't like get stuff just to get it. I mean, I got it with stuff in mind, right? And I know I say that all the time. So this, I picked up 2 of these, and this is why, because Nicole the Vagabond Crafter. If you watch me, I don't know if you do or not, but she bought one of these and she didn't get the top piece to hers. So if you, put a comment or send me an email, Nicole, and I can verify your address with Tootsie Tucker. I'll send you this, because there were only 2 left, so I picked up one for me and one for you, just because you inspired me. I wasn't gonna go, and then I saw your stuff and I had to go. But anyway, so let's just take a look at this one here. These are puffy stickers that are raised, and then it has the balloon epoxy, which I'm all about epoxy, all the things, and resin, and I want to really get into that, but I got to handle what I got going on here. And then just some cute stickers, because birthday stuff, like Gina said when I watched Gina's haul from Gina Loves Craft, you can never have enough birthday stuff, and she's really right about that. And I need to be more focused with my crafting, such as building up my paper stash of birthday cards and things like that. So Nicole, this one is for you. Okay, so, and I had to say, on this instance, I was a little greedy. I picked up 2 of these for me, and the reason why is because these little things here, all the little doodahs, the ice cream and the swan, the llama and the pineapples and all that other stuff, these make perfect centers for your rosettes. I mean, gorgeous, right? And you just pop it on there and you're good, you're done. So that's why I picked up 2 of those. They were normally $2.99 and they were priced at 74 cents. So I thought that was really a good deal. Got a good value for the money there. Okay, so this one again, picked up another beach one because we do plan to go to the beach this summer. I need to put my toes in the sand, you guys. The struggle is real. Okay, so this one, again, another birthday one, normally $2.99, 74 cents. So I picked this one up. Okay, this is everything. Floral sheets. Look at that. $7.99 normally. It was $1.99 for 50 sheets of extra heavyweight cardstock. This is not paper. This is cardstock. There's 5 different designs in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and floral. You can't go wrong. The only thing that was bummed about was this is the core. It's the core of it is white. So if you were to cut it or something, you would have to like ink around the edges if it was you were doing a flower or something. But you know, who cares? I've got ink for days, right? But this was a great value. 50 pieces of cardstock for $2. What? I'm making all the things. Okay. Paper packs. Everybody has seen them. I picked up this summer one. I thought this was really cute. I'm hoping to get some pocket letters done. I need to start getting my crafty mojo back on. This one, really, I love that because this is what I do in my pool. Float. So this was awesome. And you get a lot in here, you guys. These were normally $5.99. Well, it says $5.99. What does it say under there? It says $9.99 initially, right? And then, so then they put this $5.99 on there. And then they sell it for $1.49. So I picked that one up. And I picked up this one only because I'm not really like a pinky. This kind of style is not me. But when I do swaps and stuff, I have to remember my style isn't everybody else's. And so I thought this would be great. And I do like the mint and the gold with, I liked the flamingos and the pineapples. I don't care for that, but that, yes. And that, you know, but for $1.50, you can afford to not like all of it. So, okay, so now these are the bomb. These I was so excited to see. I picked up 2, again, because we're going to be going to the beach. and I want to be able to do an album, so I wanted to make sure I had enough, and I was afraid if I went back they would be gone. So initially $5.99, $1.49, and you get a bunch of stuff in here. Some stickers, mostly just stickers with this one, and alphas. I am not an alpha girl. I could care less. I don't care for them at all. I don't buy them. I don't care. Okay, so now this one is a repurchase for me because I just love it. And I have, I think, 2 more of these in my paper stash in the closet, which you will see when I do my craft room tour of shame. But anyway, yes, so that is awesome. So I picked that up again only because I really, really liked it so much. And I made... A while ago, a couple of years ago, I made a traveler's notebook with this theme for my preceptor, who precepted me. So, that video is somewhere. And so this, okay, this was the last one, and it's normally $5.99, and it was $1.49, and it's 50 assorted sheets. I love, love, love this paper. This, to me, this Halloween one, look at that, Toots, is everything. I love it. It is beautiful, and I love it. I love the buffalo check. I like that, very, beachy. Love that. The truck, yeah, the car, yeah, camo, not so much, but, the yellow, yeah, okay. And then these are like, postal, little postage things. So, I mean, for $1.49, great deal. You can't go wrong. These things make great little envelopes if you're doing a pocket letter. And also the final thing that I picked up that I can't show because it's so big on camera is the sticker wheelie thing. I had specifically written that down on my list is what I needed to go after because I have so much. I have too much, and I don't even know what I have anymore, and that is not okay. So, my daughter is getting into stamping, and she's just moving, so I'm going to let her get settled and see how much room she can handle for stuff, and that'll be that. So, okay, you guys, it's so funny when I'm finishing up this video, my husband just sent me a text, hey, I'm going in the pool. So I gotta go. I hope you guys are having a great day. I miss you. I'll be back later probably to do my tour of my jacked up craft room. I hope you're having a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.